Hey, it's Job, and today I'm going to unbox for you the 2021 Thinking of You planner. This planner was designed by Mr.Eggplants, also known as Chi Fong, and Mr. Eggplants slash Chi Fong actually runs the Thinking of You account on Instagram, and I believe that's like the stationery notebook account. Mr. Eggplants actually carries a wide variety of stationery, and I've never actually purchased or found any of their items on other web stores. I just have been pretty late to the game with Mr. Eggplants and all of her products, but oh my gosh, I fell into a rabbit hole and was very obsessed with everything that she does. It's just so effortless and chic, and I don't know, it just evokes a sense of calm that I don't have in my life. Just kidding. But yeah, I really enjoy this aesthetic. It's a little bit different from mine, but that doesn't mean I can't enjoy it. But the sad thing is that it was sold out. I actually had it in my cart. I had it, I was eyeing it on A Blank Note, which is a stationery shop in Seattle, Washington. I had it in my cart in their web shop, and then I left it in there for a few days, and then it was gone, and I went into a full panic and couldn't find it anywhere. A few friends on Instagram, I think Paula and Connie, helped me out. I'll leave their information in the description bar below. And yeah, we couldn't find it anywhere. We found the 2020 version of this planner, which I almost purchased from Malaysia, and then I realized, wait, this planner cover looks a little bit different. But yeah, that was the 2020 version. But then I woke up the next day, and I realized that my Instagram story that was asking people for suggestions as to where I can purchase this was actually seen by Mr. Eggplants herself, which is amazing. And Chi Fong was so kind. She said that she would send one over as a gift, and obviously this is not sponsored, but I just want to thank her for sending this over because it truly made my day. And it's just so cool seeing different creators, especially Taiwanese creators, just doing their own thing and making their own stationery. And I don't know, it just has that specific look and feel that is so effortless and chic. I don't know, when you think of Parisian style, it just seems so chic and elegant. That's, for me, in the stationery world, it's how Taiwanese journalers journal. It's just so effortless and chic, and I don't know, I don't feel like I journal like that, but I aspire to journal like that. And I think owning this planner is a little glimpse and a little slice of experimenting with that style. But as you can see, this planner is very unique. It's an A5 size, and it's a little bit thinner than most planners. I would say it's the same thickness as one book of the Hobonichi Avec, and it is very thin because it only has month views and weekly views. As you can see, the weekly view right now is very different. You have the days of the week in a vertical format, and they only fill about 3/4 of the page, and then, or maybe 2/3 of the page, and then the top third of the page is actually saved for whatever you want. You can put a to-do list on the lined part of it, and then the blank part you can draw a little doodle. You can make a little painting or collage there, and it just, I don't know, it's just so cool. I really enjoy the little pages that have calligraphy practice, and I think it's going to be fun using my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to practice my calligraphy on that. And I also intend on making mini collages on those pages when I don't feel like practicing my calligraphy. I really enjoy that there's a month view that's very minimalistic, and it's just the month, and then you have the broader month view where you actually have squares that you can fill it in with memories or tasks or events that you need to plan for. I really enjoy how simple everything is. I thought that there would actually be some botanical illustrations, but I think I was seeing pictures of this planner with the sticker sheet that it came with, and I think people were just decorating the inside with the sticker sheet. So that was my mistake and misconception, but you do get some sticker sheets when you purchase it. And yeah, I really enjoyed looking at this planner, and I can't wait to dive into it. I am planning on using it as my weekly journal, just to add a little snapshot. And honestly, I just want to play around with stickers in here and just use transfer stickers, my own stickers, and just be creative and not force myself to like add like an original illustration on each page or add like a cool collage. I just want it to be like free and effortless and chic. Oh my gosh, I take a shot every time I have said those words. Just kidding. You'd probably be really drunk right now. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. If you want a more detailed look at this planner, let me know. I probably will include it in my 2021 planner and journal setup, but please bear with me because I'm still waiting for a few planners and journals to arrive, but we will deal with that in a future date. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it a little bit useful. If not, I hope it was just a little bit of eye candy for you. I believe that there's actually going to be a restock of these, and I think Chi Fong is actually selling some seconds or like planners that have like slight manufacturing defects, so I think they might be at a discounted price, so go check that out. I'll leave the information in the description bar. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of a different planner that you might not normally see. I know everyone loves the Hobonichis and stuff, but this is a cool alternative if you don't like the daily planning view, or you don't need those daily planning pages. Okay, that's it. I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.